et eks see idee tegelikult on ilmselt seedinud mingi tükk aega, mitu aastat tegelikult ma arvan, aga et kuna mina ja Salme mõlemad oleme olnud seotud tänavakunstifestivalidega just Tallinnas ja Tartus, siis tegelikult eelmine suvi nii-öelda sai see idee küpseks siis äkki, ütleks niimoodi, et kus me istusime maha ja mõtlesime, et okei, meil mõlemal on nagu need mõtted liikunud selles suunas, et miks ainult Tallinn ja miks ainult Tartu või et seal juba toimub asju. Ja siis tuligi see, et aga miks mitte nagu teha võib-olla väiksemates kohtades, et miks peaks just nagu suuremad linnad olema privilegeeritud?
Well, my favorite thing about street art is that it's not exclusive at all. Like, there's no tickets to pay to see street art. It's just always there and anyone can see it. So it doesn't create these social barriers to anyone to enjoy art. So for me that's the most important thing, but also because here in the colder countries we don't necessarily build such colorful buildings. So everything is usually grey, and for me that has always been a bit depressing. So I really enjoy the fact that we're also contributing to the built environment and creating a change in that. I also don't want to live in the middle of grey concrete.
Minu jaoks täna kunst on päris suur vabadus nagu kunstikule, ta saab nagu päris palju väljendada ja niimoodi nagu suhtlema teistega.
Street art for me is a direct way of communicating with people on the street. When art is in an exhibition, it's like a privilege to go in. A lot of times you have to pay to get in. There's a higher step to connect with the artist. A lot of times you won't see the artist, you see the art. And what happens with street art is that when you work in multiple days on an artwork, that is usually quite big and takes a lot of time to realize, then the people can talk to you right away, like happened here. And because of that, they don't feel that this art is very distant from them.
Kohalike tagasiside on minu meelest olnud siiamaani vähemalt ülimalt positiivne. On ka igast ägedaid seiku olnud, et näiteks kui kruntisime bussijaama seina siniseks eelmine nädal, et siis tuldi kui kole värv, ütlema paar korda. Aga õnneks, et selliseid negatiivseid kommentaare ei tulnud, kui kunstnik juba seal tööle hakkas ja tööde osas minu meelest on olnud väga positiivne tagasiside, et hästi ägedaid lugusid on olnud, et kuidas kunstnikke on nii soojalt vastu võetud.
In a very happy mood and drinking a lot of beer and enjoying summer. And I got a rose, a very, very pink rose from this local, and he also brought me coffee and pastry, which was very lovely. Another gentleman puked next to my wall, which was less lovely, but at least I wasn't bored yesterday at all.
Yeah, this is also really nice that the librarian has taken me not as a pet, but they keep boiling me coffee and giving me these treats like bulls and how do you call it, meat pies or something like this. And it's really good because they do it in 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock again, so it's the greatest place to paint, kind of, because when you're doing street art, you really have to run. I get like 10 kilometers worth of running during a day. And so you're always hungry. And now I can get food just around the corner here. And she will be like, yeah, the food is ready, the coffee is ready here.
Et minu meelest kohalike vastuvõtt on olnud igati positiivne ja õudselt äge on seda näha, sest tegelikult just ju eesmärk oligi see, et kuidagi kohalikke nii-öelda rõõmustada või aktiveerida ja hästi äge on, ma tulin üks päev siit ka jalutasin kultuurimaja eest läbi, kui olid juba need tööd valmis ja siis näen, et üks isa oma väikse lapsega vaatavad neid töid ja jalutavad seal ümber ja seletavad ja siis ma olin jälle mingi yes! Et kõik läks õigesti, täpselt nagu see eesmärk oligi see, et need seinad tekitaks naudiksid head emotsiooni, diskussiooni, suhtlust, oma igapäeva argielust, võib-olla sellisest argielu mullist välja tulemist. Ja mulle tundub, et siiamaani, et see toimib niimoodi.
Ma arvan, et see on väga tore, et sellist asja Põlvasse tehakse, et toob sellist nooruslikku vaibi siia ja kindlasti nendest maalidest saab selline tõmbenumber siin kandis.
People are, they are not so talkative because I'm from Finland, so I don't speak the language, but people are giving me lots of thumbs, and I think it's a good sign. Yeah, and so everything has been good.
Inimesed tulevad ja küsivad, mis siin toimub ja üks mees küsis, et okei, kuidas siis seda mõista, seda asja, mis te teete, ma ütlesin, nagu mõistate nii, nagu te seda näete. Ja siis on mõned inimesed tulnud ja öelnud, et näete, seal on ka üks sein ja tulge tehke see sein ka ära, see on nii jube sein ja et noh, paistab, et inimestele nagu üldiselt meeldib, et midagi siin toimub.
Ma arvan, et see on päris lahe selles suhtes, et midagi erilist ühe linna tavalisse välimusse annab juurde.
And people come to talk to me all the time. And unfortunately, I have no idea what they're saying, so I'm just thanking everyone because I want to assume that they're saying something nice. But they could be insulting me all the time, and I'm just thanking them very happily. But yeah, everybody's very social and like interacting a lot with me. So.
Yeah, the locals are reacting very positive, and they are very happy to see that something in their neighborhood is changing, and that and they are curious what the work is about. How do you get to the inspiration, or how it's made, how it's done? They want to know things, and yeah, I can feel they're like already inspired. And the subject of the painting helps a lot. I can see that they are reacting to the children playing in the costumes, and there's parents with children, and children are pointing towards the costumes and maybe saying that they like to have this kind of costumes, and yeah, it's very nice to hear the positive reactions.
Jah, ja idee oli just see, et maksimaalselt ka siis seda kohalikku elanikkonda nii-öelda kaasata, et ei oleks see, et me tuleme, me teeme ära ja siis me lähme ära ja ei ole nagu mingit kokkupuudet selle kohalikega. Ja sealt on tulnud need ideed, et oleks see kogukonna tehtud sein, mis on nüüd siin siis Põlvas kultuurimaja ees, et kus kohalikud ise saavad öelda, et mina värvisin ka seda seina, ja samamoodi ka siis šabloonitöötoad ja ekskursioon seinte juurde, mida täna Salme läbi viis, ja piknik ja diskussioon nii-öelda kohalikega, et nii-öelda avada siis kohalikele seda tänavakunsti telgitaguseid.
Muidu Eesti kunstnikud me valisime selle järgi, et kunstnikud, kes on nagu tegelevad kunstiga üsna aktiivselt, aga kelle loomingut võib-olla tänavatel nagu nii palju ei ole näha. Et on nagu aktiivsemaid tänavakunstnikud, kelle loomingut on nagu Eesti tänavatel päris palju, aga nende puhul võib-olla nii palju veel ei ole. Aga muidu stiil on nagu äge. Ja siis üks oligi nendest Okeiko, ja Okeiko algselt pidi tulema nagu festivali ajal, aga siis tal tuli midagi vahele ja ta lihtsalt käis nagu eelmisel nädalal, siis kui meil käis kruntimine. Et samal päeval, kui ta sein ära krunditi, siis ta tegi niimoodi ühe päevaga oma maali ja läks niimoodi plaksti kohe tagasi Tallinnasse.
Kusjuures peab lihtsalt ütlema vahel, et võib-olla see oli täiega hea tegelikult siuke soojendus, et see niimoodi juhtus, et Okeiko tuli enne festivali ja tegi seina, et see kohe tekitas siukest melu ja et okei, mis nüüd toimuma hakkab, ja oli kuidagi palju parem selline soojendus sellele festivali nädalale, vähemalt ma arvan.
See maaling on nüüd inspireeritud kohalikest mustritest, et Põlvamaal on hästi palju siukest käsitööd ja need mustrid, mis te siin näete, siin on mõned tänukirjad ja siukesed seelikumustrid ja see lind, need linnud, mis siia maalt on, need on Põlva kohalik sümbol. Taivaskojas on pesitseb siukene tore lind nagu jäälind ja mina ise kasvasin ka hästi palju Taivaskojas üles, kui ma olin noorem ja mulle väga endale see nagu lind meeldib, üks haruldamiseid linde, mida sa võid näha. Ja see ongi nagu siukene inspireeritud ühest küljest siukene nooruslik, paskvaatlik, siukene sigri-migri, aga teiselt poolt nagu siukene hästi elav siukene traditsioon panna nagu siukesse noorusesse võtmeks, et see oli minu inspiratsioon, kui ma seda kavandit hakkasin tegema.
The wall came together from some information that I got from the festival organizers. So the shop is actually a plumbing shop with a lot of pipes, and it connected with me as a kid. I was always building all sorts of things from pipes from a building shop or found wood, driftwood. And you can see it back in the painting. There's buildings made of driftwood. The suits are made of maybe old materials, old sweaters, clothes. I really like children's imagination. It's very free. They're not filtered. They know they know how to express themselves without shame. So children playing together on constructions that they made themselves or that were maybe there in the countryside. This is how the wall came together.
This rooster thing is, I heard they have a new coat of arms in Põlva now, but it used to be rooster, but now it's kingfisher or something else. So this is a good reminder for people that history can't be rewritten. You have to remember the history, otherwise you will repeat it. So it's the old rooster is a bit. I think he's a bit angry there that the small kingfisher has come and to take his place. But it's world is changing, so it's a new thing. And some consult has said that kingfisher would be nicer than the old rooster.
Well, my work story is that I had sketched some weird pipe things, and that was just and then some diamond things and just doodling something, and I was like, I want to do this on a wall sometime, and this wall came up and I was like, this could work here. So that's all I got, but the rest of the stuff I just started with the pipe things, and they have been a real pain in my ass because they are hard to paint and I don't like them at all. But all the other stuff like the what was the name? Slope? Is that the bird's name? Well, the bird. The bird and its nest, and all the these grass things. I don't know the name in English, but they are from this nearby pond, and this is what people call the robot pineapple. It's actually, I was just looking at this wall from other side of that pond, and I looked at the fountain, and it made kind of like this kind of, I wanted to make my own version of the fountain, and it came out as some sort of pineapple robot thing.
Multiste läbi tehtud maal on siis Kanepi gümnaasiumi seinal, mis on vaatega vallamaja, vallavalitsuse poole. Ja hästi vahvalt kunstnik sidus nagu selle maali asupaigaga, nii et maali pealkiri on teadmiste korjaja ja noh, see sobib ideaalselt kooli seinale ja tegemist ongi sellise omamoodi tegelasega, kes niimoodi igalt
korjab teadmisi,
nopib neid niimoodi endale erinevaid tähti ja erinevaid
teadmisi,
sirkleid ja koguseid ja mida
alguses oli pikem nagu see nimetas suplev päike Balti meres. Nii et siis nagu selline päikevalgus ja siis polaarvalgus nagu niimoodi käib nagu mööda laine ja läbi meri nagu. Ja vot selline.
The other subject is acorns from an oak tree, And I read somewhere that oak tree is almost like a national tree for Estonia. I don't know if it's true, but it's... So I took those, and it's a seed for something new maybe.
Tahaks teiega tänada valla ametnikke, kes on nagu hästi niimoodi soojalt ja suure kallistusega selle idee vastu võtnud.
Ja ka meid on selle suure kallistusega vastu võtnud, mis on väga tore.